Unboxing the Huawei Mate70 Air in 3 colors. Though it's called Air, the box is quite big. I haven't seen the Mate70L before, so I'm curious about the Air version. This is the size ratio. A clear hard protective case. A 66-watt fast charger, really small. Holding the Mate70 Air gives 2 impressions. It's big and thin. This color is feather white with a satin finish, and the frame is shiny champagne gold. First, looking at the frame, it's thin. There's a speaker and infrared sensor at the top, another speaker at the bottom. Isn't this the Air with dual speakers? Next to the speaker is the SIM slot. Open it, still dual SIM, not eSIM. No more trips to the carrier store. Next, gold threads and silver brocade. Thickness is 6.6 millimeters. Weight 208 grams. This color looks familiar, so it's called Mate70L. Isn't this the same color process as Mate70? I went back and forth, struggling to choose between these 2 colors. I chose fish white. This time with the Air, I picked feather white. The last color is gold black with a black back. Even though they're all called Air, the Mate70L has a 6,500 mAh battery. Yes, 6,500. People wanted a big battery in the Air series, and now it's here. Was it that hard? Besides being thin, the Mate70L is big, 7 inches. The screen-to-body ratio is nice. This size is only second to the Mate 20X. The 4-curved screen and curved middle frame, plus its thinness, give it a smooth feel. The screen uses Cooling glass, but what's different is the 18.8:9 ratio and 81.5mm width. This ratio and width are quite wide, but it also means when viewing a Zhaya post, the Mate70 Air can show more content in the same image. When reading the same novel, Huawei can show 3 more lines of text. With a screen this big, how could it not come with a stylus? Pair with Huawei MPN3, Starlight connected. The stylus has Eraser, Smart, and Air command buttons. Press Eraser for smart e-selection, global annotation, one-tap excerpt, and data extraction. As for the Smart button, just hold it down, and you can bring up the smart e-selection, then you can search directly. Finally, quickly opening and closing the cap at the end of the pen will instantly switch it to Air command mode. Then, by holding down the Air command button, the pen turns into a movable cursor. Just point where you want and press up or down to flip pages. You can also scroll videos up and down on Douyin remotely. A big screen and stylus. This feels familiar, right? What do you think? The difference between playing games with 1 speaker and 2 is huge. In Peacekeeper Elite, this is the Mate70 Air. Now footsteps are on the left, got it? Then they move to the right. You can hear it, right? The footsteps move left, then right, giving a clear sense of spatial stereo sound. The Mate70 Air, like the Mate70 series, has round camera lenses. The upper left is the Maple Leaf True Color lens. The right is a 50-megapixel 1.3-inch main camera, and below is the telephoto lens. On the left is the ultra-wide-angle lens. The Mate70 Air's imaging hardware is top-notch. The processor is the Kirin 9020B. Huawei doesn't cut corners. It supports 2-way Beidou satellite communication, IP68 and 69 dust and water resistance. Even as the Air gets thinner, Huawei hasn't compromised on core hardware. They made it bigger for more display area. With the stylus, thinness is valuable. That's my first impression of the Huawei Mate70L. This Air is different. I want to use this phone a few more days and give my buying advice in the final video.